in this video we're talking about set theory, word problems that leads to set theory. Look at problem number 1. In a survey of university students, 64 had taken mathematics and 94 had taken chemistry course. 58 had taken physics. 28 had taken mathematics and what? Physics. 26 had taken mathematics and chemistry. 22 takes chemistry and what? Physics. 14 takes all the objects or all the subjects or all the course. Anyone. Find how many had take one course only. Now in set theory, when you hear that word only, it have a meaning. It have a meaning. So you have to how do I put it? You have to be conversant about it. Now let's get to the solving of the first one. So now if you check the question very well, they said in a survey of university, 64 are taking mathematics, right? That means let M equal to math, let C equal to chemistry, and let P equal to what? Physics. That is the first thing we need to do in set. So the next thing they said, number of those that take math is what? 64. Okay, number of those that take chemistry is 94, and number of those that take physics is what? 58. Now they said 28 are taking math and physics, so number of math and physics equal to what? 28. 26 has taken mathematics and chemistry, math and chemistry, that's what? 26. And physics, and we need physics and chemistry, and how many people took that course? They are just 22. Now don't forget that 14 are taking all the 3 subjects. That means number of physics intercept chemistry intercept math is equal to what? 14. So we want to find those that take one course only. Find those that took maths only, CHM only, and what? Physics only. Now when we find those ones, we add them together. That's what will give us the number of those that take only one subject. Now solution. Now there is this general formula that you need to know in this set theory. Now when you have A union B, it is the same thing as saying this plus this minus this. You can take this into your note, and when you have something of the formula is this. You can take this formula down in your notes. Now we want to solve this thing. Well, some tutors will recommend Venn diagram, but I will be very fast with it so that I won't let you have the fear that I have to draw Venn diagram here. So calm down. You're going to solve this thing without Venn diagram. Calm. So now number of those that took math only, we want to find them. So number of M only. Now this is the formula for when we want to find one particular object. Like I'm calling it object now because I'm generalizing it. We want to find object in set theory. This is the formula that we're going to use, which is only. I'm talking about only now. This is the formula that we're going to use. minus, open a bracket, number of m intersect c plus number of m intersect b minus number of b intersect c intersect m. So this is the formula. You want to find anything only. Now, how do I know this formula? I noticed that when they have 54, they said 64 took math. That means number of those that took math, they are 54, right? Do you know that this 28 is part of this 64? This 26 is part of this thing, and this 14 is part of this. So we want to remove them away. So what do we do? What is number of math? 64 minus number of this 26 plus number of this 28 minus 14. So we have 64 in bracket of 26 plus 28 minus 14. That's what? 40. So we have 64 minus 40. That will give us what? 24. So 24 people took math. That is how to find it. Now going further, number of those that took CHM only without wasting much of our time. Number of CHM minus number of M and C plus P and C minus P, C and M. So what is CHM only? We have 94 minus 26 plus 22 minus, what do you have for this? 14. So with that we have 26 plus 22 minus 14 minus 94. That will give you 60. Now number of those that offer physics only. Number of those that offer physics only, that will be 58 minus. Now how do I know the next one to multiply? Anywhere p appears in two form, this one is m and p, that is 2, p and c, I'll just add it together. This is 28 and 22, 28 plus 22 minus the what? The 14. So I have 58 minus 22 plus 14. So I have 16 people. That is minus 14. I'm going to 28 plus 22. I want to cross check. Okay, minus 58. Sorry, this is 22. Now if that should be the case, now the question says that find how many are taking only one course. So number of one or only one course will be number of math only plus number of chemistry only plus number of physics only. So what do we do? What is number of math only? We have 24, 60, 24 plus 60 plus 22. So the answer to this one will be 24 plus 60 plus 22. That will give us what? 106. So meet me in the next video to gain more knowledge about this. Thank you.